with love. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Welcome back to my channel. So today, y'all, it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I just woke up and I don't get up at 9 o'clock. It's 9:33. I was supposed to get up at 8, but I just couldn't. So yeah, we're going Valentine's Day shopping and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So yeah, y'all, that's all we got to do today. I'm gonna show y'all my little fit for Valentine's Day later. It's a little something. It ain't nothing, but yeah, y'all, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we ready to be on the way to Wally World. I'm gonna have to get me a car tripod because I don't know, but I don't even be in the car. I think this is y'all first time seeing me in the freaking car, but it's because safety. Literally safety purposes. This city is so crazy, like it's not even funny. Look at it about to fall. It's not even funny. Let me get out my phone now because they're like the turn green. Okay, we going straight. We ain't turning. Yeah, this city is so crazy. Like people wanna rob, steal, they way into stuff. But how you gonna feel if somebody rob your granny and take her car? Like, it's just being realistic. Like, y'all don't think of karma at the end of the day. Like, that's what makes me mad. Like, I don't steal, I don't lie, I don't do none of that. So it bothers me when somebody does that type of stuff to me, to people around me, to me especially, because I really don't do nothing. So it's just karma in itself. So you gonna get it one way or another. Like, somebody stole my AirPods at this job that I was working at, and then basically the managers let whoever get away with it, knowing that my AirPods was still in that building because I could still find them while I was in the building. So somebody in that building had my AirPods. More of the story. And they didn't do nothing about it. So yeah, that bothered me. And I quit the same day because y'all rather somebody just work while stuff's missing. It bothers me too. If I can't find something, I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. I'm gonna find it. I don't care if it's 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna find it. And that's just that, okay? I just like finding stuff right then and there. That's it for my TikTok because that's why I just can't do the car stuff. Now let's say if we move somewhere, I will be A-okay, but still not, because then it's really gonna be people out to get you, even if they know you or they don't. That's the problem here. It could be your bestest of friend, and she don't take your stuff, or have somebody else take your stuff because she know where stuff's at, type stuff. So yeah. Moral story: don't trust people and don't give out the love. Okay, so let me get it off my phone. Oh, Let me get my sausage on it. Okay, y'all. Gas is so freaking cheap. Gas is so freaking cheap. It is freaking $2.92, hunty boo boo. $2.92. Everywhere else, I'm telling y'all, everywhere else, $2.99, maybe even $3. But $2.92. Yeah, I'm gonna get some. Plus, I need some. I forgot I need some, and I just got here and just started going. Okay, so I'm gonna get some after I leave Walmart. Y'all, look at this. Gone, freaking gone. I just knew I should have got this card when I seen it. So I'm probably just gonna have to get it in another store. To be honest. To be honest. This is cute. This is cute. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know when I'm on to the next thing. Oh, this is cute. Yeah, we put a lava lamp back, okay? It was cute, but put that back. Okay. I got the flowers. Now I need to look at my list to see what I need. So I'm gonna see y'all in a sec. Look, y'all, they got Mr. Beast bars. I'm gonna look it up if it's actually Mr. Beast or whatever, but I'm gonna let y'all know. But y'all, you know, every holiday they ransack everything. Everything. I'm just looking for little chocolates, and if I can find them, I'm so empty. People's teeth gonna be hurt, and they're gonna have to go to the dentist. Yeah, I don't even see the chocolate. So, we'll look for that in Meyer too. Okay, so I just freaking recorded something for y'all and it didn't record. Like, it stopped recording once I got my phone up on this freaking tripod. But I was saying we have made it to all the stores we were supposed to go to, and then we going to Kroger for the last store. I should get everything else out of Kroger, and then I'm gonna let y'all set it up with me so y'all gonna see how I decorate and all that. Then we got somewhere to be at 2 o'clock for a job event that lasts for a week. So yeah, a little special event with a job thing or whatever. So we're gonna do that, and then after that we're gonna get ready. I think I'm gonna cook steak and potatoes and mashed potatoes. She cooked gumbo last night, so I'll show y'all her gumbo. But I just feel like we can eat some steak and mashed potatoes today, because we ate that last night. So yeah, stay tuned, because y'all gonna see if I make the mashed potatoes and steak or not, even though I really want to. So just stay tuned, y'all. Y'all, look at the plane. Look at the plane. I hope the light don't turn yet so we can see it fly right over our head. I'm so obsessed with planes. Let's see. Oh my gosh, hurry up. Yeah. Look at the plane. Look at the plane. I'm sorry, but these are ugly. Like, this was cheap, but it's real life ugly.
Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hey y'all, we're in the pet store. Yeah, we gotta make sure they don't have no cat in here before we get the fishies. So look at the fishies. He got a bump on his head. I'm probably gonna get a little bitty goldfishies because that's the only thing I know how to take care of. Look at her.
The shrimp. On the shrimp?
No.
On the frog?
It's a dwarf frog, that means. Scary. Look at these little fishes, y'all. Oh my gosh,
They're not
y'all.
asleep. They not. They would be up there. Them is
They're
dead.
dead.
Them is, but them is sleep. Them is sleep. Okay.
I'll believe it when I see one of them wake up, y'all. No. Oh my gosh. All dead bodies. Comment down below if y'all think these is dead or they sleep. Comment down below, please. Please, please, please. Look at my fishies. I'll name them probably in the next video. Take 157, y'all. So we got our steak in our little bowl. We already rinsed it off in here. I don't know if I'm gonna put them on the George Foreman, but I might put them on the George Foreman for 2 seconds and then put them in a pan. So we got the steak seasoning. Let's not be stingy. Onion powder. Seasoning salt. Garlic powder. And a bag. Yeah, the camera if you want to. Okay. So now we got the reviews on the chicken. And going on the jerky. One by one, the jerky smell. We're gonna take this one. Yermith, sweet Yermith. No, it's not sweet. It tastes like birds. So, if y'all seen that video where I had the little rinky-dink pot, first of all, that's my mama's pot. And for Christmas, she gave me an egg maker because that's all I eat is egg. And I totally forgot about it. But I still ain't used it, but I will be using it. So, don't sleep on me. Don't sleep on me. And don't talk about how treacherous the pot. It's the pot that gets you out the hood. Okay.
Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
They want people to put these in the microwave. So yeah.
say you put a lot of out your mashed potatoes and leave like a decent amount because you're gonna need organic, vanilla, almond milk. So just a dash.
Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me.
I'm gonna see y'all when everything's done, okay? Hopefully y'all can't do too much. But yeah, serve up a steak, the lamb neck, our veggies, and our mashed potatoes. So if y'all like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video, doll babes.